boys and girls. I hope you guys had a wonderful extended long weekend. And this week, for part of the week, we're going to be learning about Columbus Day. So Columbus Day is why we didn't have school yesterday on Monday. And we're going to learn about who Christopher Columbus was and what he did. So we have a story today, and it is titled Columbus Day. This is the front cover of my story. And this book is written by Christina Mia Gardeski. Now, look at the picture here on the front cover. Do you think this is a photo that someone took, or do you think that this is a drawing that someone did? Let's open our book and look at some other pages to see. Do you think this one is a photo someone took or a picture that someone drew? Let's look at this one. Yeah, I think that these are photos that someone took. So usually when there's photos that someone took, this is called a nonfiction story. Can you say that? Nonfiction story means that it is a true story. It's giving us facts or information about a topic. A fiction story is when a story is pretend or made up. And usually it has characters and a place and lots of things that happen in the story. Okay, so Columbus Day is going to be a nonfiction story. So let's learn what a Columbus Day is. Are you an explorer? Do you know what explorer means? It means that you go and look for things. And here's a picture of a boy, and he's looking. It looks like he's looking to see what is on the other side of this tree. Explorers travel to new places. So these girls are looking, it looks like they're looking in a desert. So anytime you go on vacation to somewhere new, that's exploring. You're seeing what's new and what's exciting about that place. They meet new people and find new things. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. We celebrate a holiday named after him. So this is a portrait of what Christopher Columbus looked like. Columbus Day comes every year on the second Monday in October. So here's a calendar, and it shows you when Columbus Day is, the second Monday in October. So we just had Columbus Day. Columbus lived more than 500 years ago in Europe. He had a job there making maps. So here's a picture of Christopher Columbus, and his job was to make maps. But Columbus liked sailing better than map making. Columbus dreamed of sailing to a land called Asia. He thought he would find gold and spices there. So Christopher Columbus wanted to go sailing to a new country to find some new exciting things he wanted to explore. Long ago, it was hard to get to Asia from Europe. Explorers sailed east. Then they crossed deserts and mountains. So here is a picture of our globe of planet Earth, and it shows you the different continents that we have. So a long time ago, they used to sail all the way around. Columbus thought it would be easier to sail west. He would make a circle all the way around the world. So he started over here, and he was going to sail all the way around the world to get to Asia. Columbus asked King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain to help him sail to Asia. So here's portraits of them. The king and queen gave Columbus 3 ships. So they thought it was a great idea, and they helped Christopher Columbus by giving him 3 ships. Columbus's ships were called the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Columbus and his crew sailed far out into the ocean. Many days passed before they saw land. So here is a portrait of the 3 ships. Back when Christopher Columbus lived, they didn't have cameras. So an artist had to help draw what they think that the ships looked like a long time ago. Finally, on October 12th, 1492, Columbus landed on an island. So here they are landing on an island. He thought it was in India, a country in Asia. Columbus called the people he met Indians. So here is Christopher Columbus meeting the Indians. Columbus did not know that he was not in Asia. He was in the Bahamas. The Bahamas are a group of islands just off the coast of the United States. So Christopher Columbus thought he made it to Asia, but he didn't make it to Asia. He made it to the Bahamas. It's a place that a lot of people like to go on vacation to now because it's nice and warm and has really pretty beaches. The people Columbus called Indians were really Native Americans. They lived in America long before Columbus arrived. So these are the Native Americans, and they were living in the Bahamas. The Bahamas are in the ocean between North America and South America. That's why some people say that Columbus discovered or found America. Columbus was not the first person to discover America, but he did find a new way to sail to other islands. Oh, so we learned that he actually did not discover America, but he did help us learn that there's a new way that they could get over here instead of going all the way around the world. They could take a shortcut. On Columbus Day, many towns and cities have parades. People wear uniforms and colorful costumes, and bands even play music. So they're celebrating Columbus Day. Columbus Day reminds us that exploring is important. You might never know what you might find. So it's important to be an explorer. It's important to discover new things. I really enjoyed that story, and I hope you did too. It gave us a lot of information about who Christopher Columbus was. Okay, so we're going to talk about what the main idea of this story was. What do you think this book was about? Very good. It was all about Columbus, Christopher Columbus. And then we need some details for our story. And our details are what was in the story. What did we learn about Christopher Columbus? Well, we learned that he was an explorer, right? We learned that he sailed in the ocean. He also could be known as a sailor. And we learned that he helped discover a new way to travel. He ended up getting over to the Bahamas, which are between North America and South America, and he got to meet the Native Americans. Great job reading that story today. So we'll be talking about Columbus Day also tomorrow and about Christopher Columbus and about explorers. So today we have a new sight word that I have for you. Here's our new sight word, and we spell our new sight word S-E-E-C. S-E-E-C. So we could say, I see the dog. I see the cat. I see my mom. So we use the word see when we're describing what is going on. You could say, I see the fire truck. So it's important that we know about the word see because we can use this word in writing to help us talk about what we drew. Okay, so S-E-E-C. That'll be our new sight word this week. And we'll go over our few other sight words. This was the one that we talked about and reviewed last week. A-N-D, and. And we use and when we're joining two things together. So like, I like pizza and macaroni. And then we have L-I-K-E, like. And we talk about like when we're describing something. So we can say, I like pizza, or I like Halloween. And then we have the word the. And we also use the word the a lot when we are reading and writing. So the cat is brown. I like the pumpkin. The word the. So those are the sight words we've been working on. We've also been working on the word I. So this week, today, what I want you to do is I want you to get out your book. So any book you have at home and see if you can find the sight word see. Okay? The next thing we're going to talk about is onset and rhyme. So I'm going to say some words and we're going to put them, I'm going to make some sounds and we're going to put them together to say a word. Okay? So am, jam. See how easy that was? Okay, let's try another one. Get. Get. Good. App. App. Cap. Et. Et. Net. En. En. Pen. Ouse. Ouse. Mouse. At. Hat. Good job. So that is called onset and rhyme, and we'll be practicing more of that. So we take the beginning and then we add the end, and that gives us our word. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over some rhyming, and Miss Walls is going to try to get this up on our video for us. See if it will, oops, I pressed the wrong thing. See if it'll let us castify this onto our video. Let's see. Camera. Okay, sorry boys and girls, it's just taking a second to get it up here. Okay, it might not work today, but Miss Walls will work on it. So we're going to do another game for rhyming. So remember, rhyming are words that sound the same at the end. Okay, so I have 2 houses today. These are our rhyming houses. These are Miss Schneider's rhyming houses, and they're really fun. We have the rhyming house for the words that rhyme with hat. So they have the at ending. And then we have the rhyming house for the words that rhyme with snake. So they have the ake ending. So I'm going to show you some words, and you have to tell me where we're going to put it. In the hat, with hat, or with snake. Okay? So my first word is bat. What rhymes with bat? Hat or snake? Very good. Bat, hat rhymes. So we're going to put that one in the hat. The next one is the word rake. Rake. What rhymes with rake? Rake hat or rake snake? Very good. Rake snake. The next one I have is the word lake. What rhymes with the word lake? Lake hat or lake snake? Very good. Lake snake rhyme. The next one is the word rat. What rhymes with the word rat? Rat hat or rat snake? Rat hat. So we put it with the hat. The next one we have is the word mat. What rhymes with mat? Mat hat or mat snake? Very good. Mat hat rhyme. And the last one we have is snowflake. What rhymes with snowflake? Snowflake hat or snowflake snake? Well, that's a tricky one. I think it's snowflake snake. That is a rhyming pair. So we're going to put it with the snake. Great job, boys and girls. We're also going to put a rhyming activity that you guys can do on your computers. So we'll make that available for you guys so you can practice rhyming at home, and then you can also show your teacher that you've been working on rhyming. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and we'll see you later.